Oh God, I hate exams.
Yeah, me too.
Play for England again.
Why, you got an idea? Not for a fire, not because you were in danger, not even for a mistake. We don't mind them. For an idiot. A stupid, dangerous idiot. Well, your parents are paying for that idiot. Because they pay us, you see. That's how it works. Your mum, your dad, your sister, I wonder where they are now, eh? Maybe they're in danger. Maybe they're in a fire. Maybe they're in a car crash. Maybe they're trapped somewhere and they need help. Where are we? We're out, wasting time for an idiot. Pity, really. Because we might have saved them.